The power of naming your feelings. Emotions often feel overwhelming when they remain vague or unspoken. When feelings are unnamed, they can drive behavior from the background, creating confusion, reactivity, and stress. Naming your feelings brings clarity, slows the emotional response, and restores a sense of choice. I have witnessed that simply naming what clients are feeling changes their relationship with that feeling. When they say, "I'm feeling anxious, disappointed, or overwhelmed," the emotion feels more manageable and less consuming. For me, naming my feelings is a powerful step towards self-understanding and emotional regulation. Action steps. Pause today when an emotion arises and name it as clearly as you can without judgment. Notice how identifying the feeling helps you respond more calmly and intentionally. Over time, this practice can strengthen emotional awareness and resilience. If you would like support to better understand and manage your emotions, please get in contact with me for personalized coaching or counseling assistance at yourtruthservices.com.au.